Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to film this video because I haven't done a video like this, but as you guys can see in the title, you probably already know. So anyways, this video as well is in collaboration with Miss Celle Lacea. Celle, please don't kill me if I try to pronounce your last name wrong. Lacea. I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna insert her Instagram and also her YouTube channel. She's also Filipina, Bisaya, and she's from Cebu, which is we're like silingan. If you're Bisaya, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, this is in collaboration with her, so you guys check her out as well. Subscribe to her YouTube channel as well. But anyway, without further ado, let's get and start with what's on my bag. So this is the Louis Vuitton favorite PM or MM. Okay, this bag was given to me last 2018. No, yeah, 2018 when I went to LA, and then my aunt's friend gave this to me. It was her birthday gift for me. But yeah, I'm really happy that I got this. It's very cute because this kind of bag is like everyday. Like I always use this bag if like I go somewhere else, like just running errands, or like if I go somewhere like in a meeting in at my job or something like that. This bag, it looks really small, but it has like a lot into it. But there's just only one like compartment, like I put there my wallet. But anyway, without further ado, this is the favorite MM, and it comes with like the sling bag, so you can do like a crossbody. But I think Ati Melochin didn't give that to me, or I don't know where she probably lost it or something, but she just gave it to me as is. So this is it, the favorite MM. So anyway, this is in a monogram print. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, this is in a monogram print. And also watch my unboxing on my card holder. Yeah, I do have that unboxing as well. Yeah, this is the bag. Let's just open her up and see what's in here. So anyways, let me just kind of put it here. I have my charger, of course. Everywhere I go, I have to have my charger, you guys. Right there, have a Apple charger. And then this is my card holder right there. You guys see that? Have my cards in here, my license, and also my green card and credit card, debit card. So that's that. And of course my glasses. I have to have these glasses because if without my glasses, I can't see. So anyway, next one is this lipstick. I always put this on this bag because sometimes, or even like a lip tint, I kind of like switch it up. Depends on my mood, or depends where I'm going, and depends of who I'm seeing. Just kidding. But yeah, this is the shade Bake right there from Sunny's. I really like this lipstick. And also next one in this bag, let's see, I have to have a sanitizer. You guys, everywhere I go, I have to have my sanitizer. This is just vanilla, sugared vanilla sanitizer. This smells, it's really good. I also have one in my car. So yeah, sanitizer, hand sanitizer is a must, girl. And girl, if you know me, if I have this like three or four, I'll bring 3 or 4 of these. This is the Summer Eve cleansing cloth, you know, for her down there. If you go to the bathroom, you have to have this, because I don't use tissue, you guys. I don't use tissue. I never use tissue. I just don't use. If I don't have a choice, if I didn't bring this, I have to use tissue. So yeah, I have this always wherever me. I got this at Walmart. Like I got a pack of it, like a box, and then I'll just get like 4 or 5 depending on where I go, and then just put it in my bag. So every time I go to the bathroom and use the bathroom, I have this in me. And then if I use like my big bag, like from Forever 21 bag, I have the Huggies over there. So I kind of like, I have one in my car, there's one in my big bag, and then this one right here, small, for like the Louis Vuitton bag. So yeah, gotta keep her clean and nice. So it's Summer's Eve cleansing cloth. And also I have the Amazing Grace. As you guys can see, this was given to my husband. My husband got me this, and I always spray this, and I had like literally a lot of like compliments if I'm spray this all over me. This is just smells really good. This is the Amazing Grace Ballet Rose from Philosophy, and it's really tiny, so it'll just like literally fit in my bag. But anyway, next one is, oh, of course, my camera, my vlogging camera right there. Yeah, this is the one only takes a lot of spot in this bag. But yeah, this is the Canon G7X vlogging camera. And then, of course, last but not the least is my iPhone XX Max. So yeah, that's probably pretty much for like this bag, guys. It'll hold. I'm gonna put it again. So I'm gonna show it to you. But see, put my everything again. Because I'm gonna go run some errands, so I have to put it back. I have to go run some errands, and also I'm gonna vlog, so that's why I gotta put it all back right here. But it looks really tiny and small, but it holds a lot. Like it holds like everything that I need, like my go-to. But yeah, this is my what's in my bag. Hopefully you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also please check Miss Celle Lacea. I'm so sorry Celle if I pronounce your name wrong. Check her YouTube channel Swen and give her and support her love. And yeah, also follow her on her Instagram. I'm gonna screenshot everything and put it in the screen, and also leave all the link in my description box. So yeah, hope you guys like this kind of video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.